Hey you guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. As you already know, this is going to be the easiest eyebrow tutorial on the whole YouTube. Yes, I said it. Alright, so I'm going to be using the WetNWild eyebrow kit here. And I didn't get a good picture of that, but I got it from my local Family Dollar. So I start off with the brown shade, and the first thing I do is always start with the bottom of my eyebrows. And I like to just go ahead and create the outline. I work from the top, I work from the bottom and then to the top. So as you can see here, I'm getting ready to do the top now. And you guys, it's really easy to get your outline right for your eyebrow. As long as your eyebrows aren't too bushy or need to be trimmed up or anything, you should just be able to go along with the natural lining of your brow that's already there. And so now I'm just doing the top here, working my way to the end. You always want to make sure your bottom line and your top line meet towards the end of your brow. And then I'm just going back in here now, filling in the gaps. And then I take the rest of the brow powder that's left on the brush, because of course there's still makeup product left on the brush, and I just really use that to fill in the beginning of my brows. And so now we're working on the other brow. This angle was a little hard for me because it might not look like it, but I was struggling trying to see over there on that side. And just working that product in. And you can clearly see my bold line at the bottom of the brow there. That really gives me like the foundation, as I was saying earlier. And you want to just kind of match the top. So I'm going to kind of make sure it's even with the brow that's across. And I just take the rest of that product and just blend out the beginning of that brow. And now I'm just continuing to draw that line across the top. It's very easy, you guys. Just follow that line to the end of the rainbow. To the end of the rainbow. Alright. And so now I'm just going in, blending in, fixing all my gaps, things that I may have. I'm just working here. I'm talking to my daughter or my husband once, and they were like, it was like everybody was in the room with me while I was trying to film this video. That's why I ended up doing a voiceover. So yeah. I'm just showing you guys the one I used, which was the darkest one, obviously. Then I take this LA brow pencil. It has the bristle, the brush on the end of it. And I used to, y'all know, if you've been following me, subscribe to this channel, you know I love the LA Colors brow pencil. I stuck with the pencil forever. Excuse me. But once I came across the brow kit that I was just hating on so bad when I first got it, it really changed my life. It did. It really makes the brows just like fill in so much easier. The product just seems to go further. You don't have to worry about the boldness as much, just depending on how heavy your hand is. And so then I take that angle brush and I go back in, and this allows me to move that product wherever it needs to go. So if I need to straighten the line or arch my curve, that's what I do. You already know this is the Pro Concealer. Everybody uses this like for their concealer. This is like, I don't know, like the top concealer, budget wise anyway. So yeah, you really just want to go and line up the brow. And I use this concealer to also help me correct any mistakes. You guys do not have to draw on a perfect brow. If you do, you do. But if not, you can conceal it. Like, you just go back over it. You fix any unevenness in your brow. And I try to stay in camera. But it was a little difficult because this is the first time I have film this way. I normally film on my camera in selfie mode, but I actually turned it around to use the back camera because the megapixels are just better. The video quality comes out a lot better, so I'm struggling with staying in the frame here. Wanted to make sure I was in the frame for y'all so y'all can see everything. So yeah, I'm just finishing up this last brow. As you can see, I'm just really making sure that I have my arch and that, you know, my brow line, you know, going as it should. It's not good at explaining things, so forgive me. But yeah, I take that angle brush and I just use this to smooth out the product. You actually use this brush to move this concealer as well. And I just take it and kind of press it right up against that brow line right there, so it looks really clean and defined. And just a little tip, if you guys didn't know, if you want your eyebrows to look really defined, really sharp, if you want your arch to just be slayed to the guys, the more concealer, the more that you line your brow with that concealer, the sharper it is going to look. So, yeah, I just thought I'd tell you that, because sometimes my eyebrows just look real natural. Sometimes they look like I went and got them freshly waxed or something like that, but it's all due to the concealer. Yeah. Y'all see me struggling. I'm trying to turn so y'all can see that brow as well. So then I take the angle brush and I just kind of blur out the beginning of my brows with it. And I'm just showing you what I'm using. I supposed to have showed you that. This brush here, I can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna try to put all the information down below in the description box. But I just use this to go ahead and blend out the rest of the concealer. I never just draw one line of concealer. I always, you know, define my brow, and then I go back and put just a little bit on my lid so that it can just kind of blend down into my eyelid. Because I'm not putting on any eyeshadow with this look. This is just, if you want to just put on some brows and walk out the door, that's what this is. So now I'm just taking that same brush. I think that is the blurring brush that I'm using by Eco Style. I got this kit from Walmart. And I'm just cleaning up that middle. And so voila, I am done. Zooming in so you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to make it simple as possible, especially for the beginners. Like, this product just really just changed everything about how I do my brows. It doesn't take as long now to do them as it did before. Nothing but good things to say. So even if you don't like the Wet n Wild, you could try another brow powder kit or product, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. But comment below, let me know what you thought. If you have any questions, y'all continue to come back and check your girl out. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Peace.